Have you ever wondered how those amazing machines turn simple ingredients into that creamy, delightful dessert we all love? Welcome to the science of ice cream makers. Ice cream is more than just frozen sugar and cream. It's a precise balance of chemistry and physics. Understanding the machine is key to understanding the treat. At its heart, an ice cream maker is a device designed to simultaneously freeze and churn a liquid mixture, known as the base. This dual action is crucial. There are two main types of ice cream makers you'll find: the convenient freezer bowl models and the more advanced self-freezing compressor models. Each uses a different method for cooling. Let's start with the popular freezer bowl type. This machine relies on a pre-frozen bowl that acts as the chilling element. The bowl contains a liquid coolant, often salt water or gel, sealed within its double walls. When frozen, this bowl maintains a temperature low enough to freeze the cream base upon contact. As the base freezes against the cold wall, the machine's paddle, or dasher, continuously scrapes the forming ice cream off the sides, breaking up large ice crystals and incorporating air for a smooth texture. Now for the compressor model. This is essentially a miniature freezer, capable of freezing the mixture without any pre-freezing required. These machines use a built-in refrigeration system, similar to your refrigerator or air conditioner, circulating a refrigerant to cool the churning chamber to sub-zero temperatures. The advantage of the compressor model is its ability to churn and freeze continuously, allowing for multiple batches and often achieving a firmer, more professionally textured ice cream. The machine is only half the story. The ingredients are equally important. Most ice cream bases consist of dairy, sugar, and flavorings. Sugar does more than just sweeten. It's a crucial component that lowers the freezing point of the mixture, preventing it from turning into a solid block of ice and ensuring a scoopable texture. Fat content, typically from cream, is vital for richness and texture. The fat particles stabilize the air pockets incorporated during churning, contributing to that signature creamy mouthfeel. After about 20 to 30 minutes of freezing and churning, the mixture transforms from a liquid base into a soft-serve consistency, ready for the final step of hardening. The continuous movement of the dasher, combined with rapid freezing, is what ultimately delivers that smooth, creamy consistency by keeping those pesky ice crystals tiny. So, whether you use a simple freezer bowl or a powerful compressor model, the basic science is the same: continuous churning while freezing. Now go enjoy your perfectly made ice cream.